Well, hello, my joyful subbies. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Joy Fuller, the chief crafter for the Joyful Designz brand, here to bring you another DIY. So if DIYs on a budget is what you're looking for, then keep watching. And as always, it's time to craft. Let's go. Let's go, guys. In our first winter DIY for tonight, we are going to create a pine cone forest using this sign that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, 3 of these extremely large pine cones out of my yard, linen white chalk paint to which I have painted the sign using this paint. This paint is by Rust-Oleum. And as you can see, I am just gluing these 3 pine cones down, and then you will see me take and dry brush some of that linen white chalk paint on top of these pine cones. And while you watch me do that, I want to welcome everybody back to my channel. And guys, I'm getting better. I'm, making sure that I listen to my body and rest when I need to rest. I still, am nasally and a little congested, but nevertheless, I am on the mends. So again, thank you all for your thoughts and prayers. It means everything to me. And while I was feeling a little better, I wanted to make sure that I brought you 2 DIYs instead of just 1. And remember, I am going to be creating winter DIYs that can transition into the new year. And while I have your attention, I want to welcome all of my new subscribers to my channel, and anyone that has stopped by who has yet to subscribe to my channel. Please make sure you click on the subscribe button, and don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you anytime I upload anything to my channel. And to my returning subscribers, you already know how Joy feels. Thank you all for your support. And as you see, that last cone that is kind of leaning, I had to add some of that DAP Rapid Fuse to the bottom of it on the tips so that I can make sure that it was a sturdy piece. And now I'm taking some cotton out of an old pillow that I had, and I am just wrapping basically the cotton around the cones and just placing it in the empty spots in between the cones. Guys, can you believe next Monday will be Christmas and all of our hard work will be over just like that? I love every minute of it. And as you can see, I was just pressing down using that spatula from the Dollar Tree, and now I'm trimming the cotton away. I wanted to make sure that it was even on the back and front sides. And guys, I have not finished shopping. I have not. So I have decided to give my children gift cards and send my grandchildren mother's money to purchase the Christmas gift that my grandkids want. Everyone else, gift cards. I've been sick. I've been busy. So as you can see, I'm taking that frosted fern that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and I've taken it off the stick or the stem and just using the leaf form and placing it in areas where I thought that I would like to see it at. And I just kept on until the placement met my expectations. And this was a very inexpensive project. If you were to calculate this, it cost me $2.50 to make this piece. And I do believe this is a higher end piece. And now I'm taking some of this Crafter Bond Adhesive by Elmer's, and I am spraying it on the tops of these pine cones and taking some of this white sand and just placing it on top of these pine cones. And then I just brush the rest on top of the cotton. And now we're moving on to winter DIY number 2. We are calling this the Lonely Pine Cone Tree. And so what I'm doing is basically taking one of those wood rounds from the Dollar Tree and this beautiful pine needle pick from Michael's, and I am just putting it in the center of this wood round with this foam floor as the holder. Now guys, I will say that this project, although the original piece of this was $4.99, I did get it for like $1.96 at Michael's. So this piece cost me less than $5 to make, and now you see I'm taking that cotton and the bond adhesive and just spraying it and making sure that it's affixed to the wood round, which was painted in that Rust-Oleum paint in linen white. And now I'm just trimming it, and I cannot wait for you guys to see the reveal. These two projects, although simple and I would say minimalistic, it is very pretty. And as you can see with these snow effects, this turned out to be a very beautiful project. I most definitely enjoyed making it. And as you can see, it's it's snowing in the forest. And then look at this, guys. I think this turned out to be very cute, and I would encourage you to continue your crafting throughout the winter months. One, it brings content to your channel, and two, it just brings you joy. You get it? It brings you joy. And so, as you can see, I really enjoyed these projects, and I'm glad that I am able to bring you 2 DIYs to start the week. And hopefully I can get you at least 1 or 2 more this week. But if not, I pray that each and every one of you have a great week, and I pray that you have a Merry Christmas if you are unable to visit the channel. But until then,